Air pollution crisis. India faces a severe and persistent air pollution crisis with significant health, economic, and environmental impacts. Pollution levels. India ranks as the fifth most polluted country globally, exceeding WHO safe limits by 10 times. Delhi is the most polluted capital, and Indian cities dominate the list of most polluted urban centers. Health impact. Air pollution caused 2.1 million deaths in India in 2021, leading to respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Economic loss. Air pollution reduces GDP growth by impacting productivity, increasing health costs, and decreasing asset efficiency. It also reduces solar power efficiency, potentially causing significant electricity losses. Environmental degradation. Air pollution contributes to climate change, degrades ecosystems, and threatens biodiversity through acid rain, toxin buildup, and crop yield reduction. Diverse causes. Sources include industries, vehicles, biomass burning, construction, and seasonal factors like stubble burning. Policy gaps. Weak enforcement of existing regulations, BS6, PMUY, FAME, and inadequate monitoring hinder progress. Financial constraints. Limited funding and outdated technologies slow down pollution control efforts. Over-reliance on technology. Excessive focus on high-tech solutions, smog towers, while neglecting major pollution sources. Behavioral barriers. Public resistance to green technologies, reliance on solid fuels, and low awareness impede progress. Coordination issues. Weak interstate cooperation and seasonal pollution spikes complicate enforcement efforts. Way forward. Decentralized, data-driven governance, empower local bodies and use real-time emissions tracking. Technological and structural reforms, balance innovation with systemic changes like renewable energy transition. Learning from global best practices, adopt clean energy strategies, China, integrate waste workers, Brazil, and reinvest pollution fines, California. Sector-specific pollution control, strengthen public transport, enforce vehicle scrappage, tighten industrial emission norms, improve waste management, and promote alternatives to crop residue burning. Behavioral change, raise